Hey viewers, hope you are doing well and great and enjoying my videos. So wait is over, here we go. Here we are back with this beautiful video of birce, akalay and ceilkkol together. So dear friends, you will love to see the latest pictures and latest stories of birce and ceilkkol somehow together, and some are just on the shoot on the screen, some are off the screen from the real life. So you can see in the mirror birce is getting ready for the shoot and having a lot of fun with her colleagues and friends. The next is birce on the set with the friends after getting ready for the shoot. The most lovely picture you'd ever seen. Birce with her friend. So dear friends, please be in touch if you want to see the most latest pictures and stories of birce and ceilkkol. I'm sure you will love to see this video, and for this you have to go till the end. You will love to see this beautiful picture, birce and ceilkkol together, and birce how she is looking at ceilkkol in a lovely mood. They are together with their latest series on Netflix. So they are for the promotion, and this picture is ceilkkol just giving a beautiful smile to his friends. And here you can see this picture is taken from the series. So dear friends, I hope you will love to see this video and you will enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Enjoy this beautiful lovely video of birce and ceilkkol together. Thank you.